Welcome to another video on my walking robot Mirft2 based on the TXT controller from fischertechnik, and the whole robot is made of fischertechnik, with continued focus on Bluetooth, because I want to see if I can get some connection done with it, because Bluetooth is one of the options to connect to the TXT controller, and if time permits, another attempt to gain access again to the community firmware, but for now it's on the default firmware. So last time on this robot I started with Bluetooth, with the other model using the TXT controller being the Discovery, the driving robot, I made some progress, so I want to see if I can make the same progress and go further with this one. So let's see about it. And if you're familiar with my videos, then you know that after intro comes software in the form of screen capture, screencast. So in preparation, a terminal with a Bluetooth agent, Bluetooth manager, a file with a Bluetooth key, ROBOPro, and a camera with the robot. Now, an interesting thing is I've had to wait quite a long time before there was even a connection, Wi-Fi connection. No idea why, but anyway. The problem is that I have to check with this data. The Bluetooth turns out to be a bit complicated, and I'm using Fedora Linux. Why that is, I don't know, but I have to use a Bluetooth agent and then load a file with the Bluetooth data. Well, here it says this data. Is that actually correct? I'm not quite sure, because this is not the driving robot with which I set this up. So I probably have to pair with this as well. I am going to set up what? That's the big question. So I have to go to actually physically to the controller, settings, network, Bluetooth, which is a very different pairing code, 837383. So I'll have to write that down for now. 837383. Which is very different from this. So I suspect that this number is equally different. So it says connect to what? I'm not quite sure. Pairing. Okay, let's cancel. Well, I don't know what this is, but not the robotics. Does it say it? No, it's a different TXT number. So this is not the one that I need. So I need to start up. And with this list, it says FTTXTCW, fischertechnik TXT community firmware, which I'm not running. So I have to quit this How can this be? Pair. Info. Do I have info? Well, it is now suddenly this one. So the number that I have to use is 74 DA EA F7 7980. This is interesting. So I have to pair this one, and I have to do it different now because I don't think that this number will be accepted in this file. So I have to change the file name. Not a problem. Yeah, that's familiar because I didn't pair. So I will say move or rename Bluetooth to, in this case, 4327, because that's the one. No, that's not true. 4327. Okay, now copying to 9166. And then edit it, and I'll do that in here. So now I have to replace everything or most in here. This is F7. Um, 79. And 80. And this number was 837383, and that should be it. So how about pairing? That's a good one. Search. Nope, nope. Yeah. Okay, then. Nope. Minus P, Bluetooth 9. Okay, go. Can I pair? It fails pairing. On the other hand, yeah, world readable, I don't care, nobody is entering my network. But can I do something? That's another question. So in here, default Bluetooth. Okay. It shows like it's paired, but it's not. Passkey found. So I have to pair in here, and then it says passkey found. Bluetooth communication. You must first open a program file, which I don't have because I'm programming usually in Python and not in ROBOPro. And this will fill as well. So now it shows here, it is paired. So that's good. Now this number doesn't make sense for this one, so and yes, VNC is working. And this is the error for ROBOPro. So now I'm paired, but what can I do? That's a different question. Alright, now what can I do to use Bluetooth? I could use my iPad and it actually detects it. However, if you look here, it says, okay, it's in Dutch, but connecting is failed. Make sure that the controller 9166 is switched on and ready to connect. So it does not work with the iPad. Then I also, oh by the way, it doesn't even ask for a password key, so there's no way to do this. Then, if you have seen my videos on the fischertechnik Bluetooth set, actually, it has it can connect with Android and iPad. However, with iPad you have a problem, and with Android it doesn't work at all. And I'm not the only one who experienced that. So those options are out of the question. So can I do something with this now that I have connected? You must first open a program file. True, I can't. Well, I can actually, but then I'm not doing anything. So, what is here? Oh, there's something, but it's for discovery and not for Mirft. So, let me just open something. Okay, I have opened a file. Right. Can I do something now? Scan. Only by the new TX controller. The TX controller is not new. If you want it. Oh really? So I can't even use this with the TXT controller, which is newer. Oh, that's a bummer. So this is a no-go. So what's the purpose then of having the TXT controller with Bluetooth? That's a very good question, which I obviously can't answer because I'm not with fischertechnik. I'm just using it. Fairly good question now. Yeah. Let's think. Alright, final thingy. Well, this one says if you want to use a single controller, then use the USB button. So this is only to use with multiple controllers, but in here it says okay, let's use it. Yeah, default Bluetooth. And okay, so this it is connected, definitely. It is connected. connection information, also nice. This one is connected with, yeah, 19. No, this is Wi-Fi. This is not Bluetooth at all. So, nice to know. Can it be used with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi at the same time? Well, obviously, because it's detected, it exchanges a passkey, so it pairs, and I'm connected somehow. Okay, let's do that. Wireless, okay. Test the interface. Yep, that works. So now being bit difficult, this is no use. Camera won't work in here because it's Linux. It has no ultrasonic, being solar. Let's reduce the speed. And this shows it kind of works. So stop this, reduce the other two. And that did work for a moment. For a very short moment it did work. But that proves that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections at the same time do work, which is good. On the other hand, what's the use of it if I can't connect over here via Bluetooth? What's the use of it? I don't know. Maybe on Windows it has much more perspective, but I'm not using it. And with this I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show support by either becoming a patron or making a donation via either PayPal or IBAN. More information on my website. Under this video you can find the URL, or in the final segment you can find all information. This is going to be continued. For now, have a nice day, take care, stay safe, bye.